Let's start with the home page, which is the first page that we encounter after we log in successfully. The home page, as we see, consists of a graphical representation of the student's overall performance history. For subjective performance history, just click on the buttons provided above the graph for math, physics, and chemistry. Double-click a subject to remove its graph from the main page. The student's overall and subject-wise rank is also provided, as we can see here, in accordance to the latest test given by the student. On further scrolling in the main page itself, we see the list of examinations the student has taken up until now, and we see two buttons to click for each exam. On clicking the questions button, we see all the questions asked in that particular examination and the detailed key for the same. It is interesting to note that each of these questions asked are in accordance to the topics taught in that week and framed with guidance from the subject teacher of the class. On clicking Analysis, we come to a page where our inbuilt AI, after analyzing the student's performance for that particular test, gives topic suggestions for improvement in a subject-wise manner. Here, we see that this student doesn't need any topic for improvement in math, but for chemistry and physics, it is suggested behavior of gases and magnetism respectively. On clicking the red button on the bottom right, we go to the next stage of analysis. Here we see a graphical comparison of the student's score, the average, and the highest marks for that test in an overall and subject-wise manner. Apart from that, we also see a pie chart representation of the number of correct and incorrect and unanswered questions, again in an overall and subject-wise manner. On clicking the red button with the upward pointing arrow below the pie chart, we see the response accuracy by difficulty. An example in this case is the number of questions that were correct in the medium category were 3 and wrong in the same category were 2. On scrolling down, we see the marks scored and average marks graph in a subject-wise manner. On clicking the red button on the bottom left, again, we go a level deeper into the student's test analysis. In many competitive examinations, time is a crucial constraint that, if not moderated correctly, can lead to a huge difference in score. The key advantage of an online examination in comparison to an offline one is here we can monitor the amount of time a student has taken on a particular question. This way, we can advise and assist a student to divide his time in a smart manner and make sure he gives his best in every examination. So here, we see the time analysis of the examination per question. Here, green stands for a correct answer and red for incorrect. On hovering on the bubble, we see the amount of time taken for that particular question. The questions are arranged in an easy, medium, and hard manner to help the user analyze how much time he has spent in each category. Clicking on the question bubble also displays the question with detailed answer. On scrolling down, we see a question-wise analysis of the test. Here, the answer attempted versus the correct answer is also shown, along with the percentage of how many students got it right, how many got it wrong, and how many didn't attempt it. On clicking on the question number, we see a display of the solution of the question. The questions and the solutions for classes 8th, 9th, and 10th CBSE board are made by the best faculty of the state and are in sync with the topics taught in school. We consult with the subject faculty of the school for topics covered and the level of difficulty to form a relevant test for the student to practice and learn. In addition to the test analysis, we also provide notes for the students as per the topics covered in class on our learning management system. Thank you for patiently listening to this video demonstration, and please contact us at support@myschool24x7.com for any further queries.